Hey guys, Ethan Wu here, what's up? I got the DJI RSC 2 here today. With the other video I had the DJI RSC. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I unboxed it. Super cool, the carbon fiber, the red, amazing. Good job DJI. So here we go. Start off by taking this plastic off. Then we get a knife. Alright, so I got my knife for my wedding, has my initials on it. Here we go. Nice. Very opposite from the RS2. The RS2 came in like a dark blue, black box. This is bright white. Awesome, let's see. Where did I open it? Ah, here we go. Nice, whoa. I guess it says everything that we have in here. Nice. That was easy. Ooh, what is this? That's some fancy styrofoam there. And right when you open the box, you see, I guess, everything that comes with it. We got the quick start guide, as usual. Close this knife so I don't cut myself. We got the screws as usual. We got the quick release mount that you put the camera on. You can detach this. If you have a smaller lens, smaller camera, you can use this one. If you got a bigger camera, it comes with this. Oh, Butterfingers. We got the charging cord. We got the other cords that attach the gimbal to the camera. We got the lens support. It's the same as the Ronin SC. We got the tripod base, as expected. Extension of the handle. We got the beast, the miniature beast itself. We got the RSC2. So this one, the handle doesn't detach from the rest of it, which is interesting. I guess you have to have the whole thing when you charge it. Unlike the RS2, you can just have the handle charging without the whole setup, but I guess you have to have this whole thing. It does have a 1-inch display. It is not touchscreen. There's no red accents, the matte black kind of look. Let's see. Is there anything underneath this? No, not even a bag. I thought this came in the bag. Well, I guess I was wrong. Oh well. But essentially, that is what comes in the box of the DJI RSC2. It can hold DSLR and mirrorless cameras. I'm gonna put it together so we can look at it, what it looks like put together. Here we go. set it up. I noticed that this one doesn't come with the fine tuning like the RSC. I can compare it right here, at least looks wise. So as you can tell already, this one is Papa Bear, this is the Baby Bear. Both amazing gimbals. DJI says that this one can hold 3 kilograms, which is about 6.5 pounds. It's got the foldable design, if you like that. It's got the 1-inch OLED display, not touchscreen, 14 hours of battery life, and it has a Titan stabilization algorithm. Very impressive name. They also say that it can come configured in about 6 different ways. I think you can attach like it in a way where it's like briefcase style, or it was kind of hard to move this, like as you can tell. Here, I'm gonna lock it. It's very hard to move, but I mean, I guess that's good. It makes it sturdy. And you just gotta clip it in, tighten it. They did make it easier to kind of fine tune everything to balance it than the Ronin SC. Not as many screws, more kind of like latches, which are easier, just like slide, lock instead of screwing it tight. This one's easy. Left and right, it's easy, and then just lock it. Definitely not as easy as the RS2 with the fine tuning knob right here. Both amazing gimbals. I mean, nowadays a lot of people are going to mirrorless cameras, which are a lot lighter. If you're using a bigger camera, cinema type camera with big lens, the RS2 is probably better for you, but for most everyone, to save money, about half the price, the RSC2 is a good option as well. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the RSC2, and stay tuned for a video comparing these two out in the real world, not in here. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you guys. Peace out.